Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another quick tutorial video regarding the Weeco Ride 3. Now in this video I want to share with you how you can add the battery percentage, the actual number, on the upper right hand corner of your home screen. So in order to do this, the first thing what you want to do is go into settings. Now once you are underneath settings, you want to go ahead and click on battery. Now once you do that, you're going to see the option for battery percentage, and what you want to do is toggle that on, and now on the upper right hand corner you can actually see the amount of battery you have left, which is 19%. So that's basically it. That's how you can get the actual battery percentage, the number, to be shown on the upper right hand corner of your display on your Weeco Ride 3. If you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel for more future helpful quick tutorial videos just like this. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.